My name is Sara. I'm from Syria. I came to Australia as a refugee, and um, I've been working on myself since I came here, which is 7 years ago. I got my citizenship last year, in 2020, and I am now actually got employed by my dream job, which is SBS, and now I'm producer there. The thing is, I couldn't find a job for 6 years, but I felt so bad that I couldn't find a job and, not helping the community. So I went volunteering 6, 7 times a year, which is how I met Jared and Dawn. I know that I have a lot of things I can learn from Jared and Dawn. Jared and Dawn, for people who doesn't know, they are the owner and co-owner of Outcome.Life. He was like, in the next meeting, we are talking about um, what about I think cultural diversity in the networking event, and we want you to be on stage with us. And when he said that, I personally felt so happy that actually, like, all my, paying attention, taking all those notes, and working on myself actually got something. They probably got bored from how many times I thanked them, but I will still thank them again because honestly, without their, coaching and like telling me how to present myself, how to get in the job market in Australia, there will be never, not even 1% chance that I'll get it. If I was doing the same thing that I was doing when I first came, I don't think I would get the job that I'm in right now. I know it's a casual job for now, but this is how, if it's a casual job or internship, this is how we thought as internationals. The things that Jared and Dom say in the networking events are literally gold.
Yes.
They are giving you gold for free. And they are the most friendly people I have ever seen in Australia. They are so friendly. I'm telling you, that was like the first thing I said to Jared and Dom. I was like, my dream is to get into SBS. And everyone was trying to help me, but the best thing, despite their help, the best thing is when you yourself achieve the thing that you want to do without the direct help from someone.
Yes.
So when I was preparing, also just one thing, when I was preparing to my interview with SBS, I called Jared and Dom, and I was like, I secured my interview with SBS. Do you have any tips I can do? And then Jared sent me the new employability, um what do you call it? Course from Melbourne, from Study Melbourne. And
Okay.
I did that one night before the interview. I did that. From that course, I can tell you that I passed the interview from that course. And I kept going in every networking event I had, you know, especially with Outcome.Life, because I found it really useful for me because I was looking for a job for a very, very long time. I was only volunteering all the time, depending on my parents, depending on the government, it depends. There's something that Jared Dom told me. Only 25% from the job are advertised and the 75 are not. And that's what happened to me. I didn't actually apply. I just introduced myself to the person who I was talking to. I was asking, is there any way I can get an internship because it's my dream job? Go for it. Go for whatever you want. For example, I have that mindset. I'm gonna get a job at my PS. Even after 100 years, I'm gonna get it. I actually got it. After 6 years of trying, I got it. And where am I now? I'm doing my very best to be faster, to be better at my job because I want to learn. I am not there for the money. I'm there to learn because later, after years, I might be instead of the manager. Who knows?